Is that funny? Where's your eye? That's your hair. Did you get a haircut today? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your teeth? Right there. Where's your eye? Where's your eye? Where's your ear? Where's your belly? Right. There it is. Where's your toes? Down there? Okay, bye-bye. Can you say hi?